What's up everybody? It's grass cutting season, which makes it the perfect time for me to team up with Home Depot to give you an overview of the 42-inch Troy-Bilt lawn tractor. So if you're interested in this video, stick along and let's get started.
First things first, let's look at the engine. It's a 19 horsepower Briggs and Stratton motor with electric start. The 1.36 gallon or 5.15 liter gas tank will give you some good runtime. The battery is located underneath the seat of the tractor. The two blades under the mower cut a path 42 inches wide, all being powered by this belt and pulleys. You can get up to 5.5 miles per hour or 8.6 kilometers an hour in forward speed, and then 2.5 miles per hour or 4 kilometers an hour in reverse speed. On the right hand of the seat, you're going to have the deck height lever and the PTO lever. The deck height lever will adjust the cutting height from 1.5 inches to 3.75 inches. The PTO lever will engage the two cutting blades. The anti-scalping wheels will protect against slicing large clumps of grass. The mower is deck wash compatible, but is not standard on this unit. The two front headlights will allow you to see in the low lit conditions, while the mid-back seat makes it comfortable to ride. I forgot to mention the beverage holder, a must on every lawnmower. With its rear towing hitch and mounting plate, you can add all sorts of attachments, and the easy-to-use dash controls makes it simple to operate. It's time to get on this thing, turn it on, and see how it runs. First step is to turn on your speed control up to choke, and then I turn my parking brake off. Push in the brake pedal, turn the key on, and hit the gas. The rear drive wheels are 20 by 8 inches in size and has a turf saver tread to protect against wheel damage. Front wheels are 15 by 6 inches. They give you an 18-inch turning radius, and with the same tread as the back wheels, you won't damage your lawn. Time to start cutting, and this is where we're going to be testing. The Bronco is as smooth as my old mower was, so I didn't notice a big difference there, but it's definitely zippier than my old one. I fit nicely on the mower considering the fact I'm tall, and the mid-back seat is perfect for comfort. The nice sharp blades cut the grass very clean, leaving you with a perfect cut. One thing I'll have to get used to is the controls on the left and right of the seat. My old unit was completely different by having everything controlled on the front dash. The Home Depot Canada and Troy-Bilt will help you become yard champions this spring by equipping you with all the tools you need to win at yard work. Troy-Bilt products are available in-store and online at homedepot.ca through standard and express shipping or free in-store pickup. Products over $35 are also eligible for free shipping.
Well, that's it for this video. Just want to let you know that Home Depot did sponsor this video by sending this over to do a review for you. So this is the Troy-Bilt 42-inch lawn tractor, and I hope it gave you enough insight to sway you either way when purchasing this one at your local Home Depot. Thanks for watching.